Okay, so welcome to today's class. In today's class, we'll be discussing about nested condition, how we use nested condition, and how to use start loop and end loop activity. Okay, so for example, if we have a file like file is to come on daily basis. So in case there is some delay from some external team, so from an external team, we need to receive file. So due to some database issue or some other issue, the data load process got delay, and we have received the file maybe sometimes late. So, but when time criteria is met and file has a dependency to a particular job, it has to wait until the file has to arrive. So then only the job should kick off. If you mention like time criteria and the job time only time criteria, and if you not mention job as a file as a dependency, then what happens is the file is not there, and if time criteria is met, then in that case, what happens is job will fail. So to overcome those kind of challenges, in DataStage we have a feature like you can use start loop and end loop until the file appears. We can keep on looping the activity. Okay, so let's see that. So I have taken start loop activity and end loop activity, and I have given here the condition. I have given the condition is nested. Just a minute. So then what and all we need? We need to check whether the file is there or not. So we need execute command. So this is for checking the Unix command. Okay. And this is a job activity. So let me open repository and drag and drop some job. So this is a job I'm drag and drop here. If the file present, this job has to run. So let's see this. In this job, input is one file. Okay. Input is one file. Concatenate underscore rm.txt. This is the file. This file should present, then only the job has to run. So that is our requirement. Okay, so let's close this. Okay. So in case file is present, then we need to check this condition. So when the file is present, then we need to run this job. Otherwise, you need to search the file again for the next one. Like there will be a waiting period of how much you want to keep, like 1 hour. Okay, so those conditions we can give like, okay. So 10 minutes, whatever the time condition may be. So now I need one more executable command here. Okay, so here I will explain you each step what I'm trying to do here to overcome this challenge. Okay, so let's make a linking connectivity. So here you can mention file. When file is there, no file. When no file is there, it has to keep on rotating. No file. Okay, file. Make a connectivity here and make a connectivity. Okay. So let's define each step here in starting loop variable. Just a second. It's taking some time. Yeah, so we'll start with a numeric loop, not listed loop. Okay. So we should set the iteration and the maximum number of times also. So I will mention 1, and increment step is 1, and 60 times I will give. 60 times means that means 60 times the iteration will happen here. Okay. So now click on OK. So this will have defined. So now what is this step actually? So here, what I'm trying to do is I need to find this file. Okay, so let me go to C drive. So concatenate rm, this is the file, right? So I will copy this file .txt. Okay, and copy this file. I will use the command to search whether the file is present or not. So I will use ls minus lrt, and I need to give the entire path. Then only it can understand. So give entire path. Okay. Give entire path. Okay. So now click on OK. Here in the condition, if you don't mention anything is fine, that's okay. If, okay. Mhm. Then here in the nested condition. So here, when the file is present, then you need to give the condition actually here. So when file is present, this one. When file is not present, this one. Okay. So when file is not there. So when file is not there means what is the exact condition we can give? So it's written when file is not there, it will give other than zero value. When file is there, it will return the value zero. Okay, so that conditions will give now. So for that, you need to go to derivation, activity variable. From there, what you can do is executable command, return value. Return value you can give no file means it should not be equal to zero. It should be any other value. Okay. And when file is there, it should be zero. Okay. So this is the condition you have to give. Okay. Click on OK. So here, when file is there, this job will execute. And file is not there, then it will search for again for some when until the file appears. Like we need to mention, we can mention the time gap. So here I have given 60 times. It will search for file for almost 1 hour. Okay, that is a waiting period. So here I will in the command I will mention a sleep command. So sleep 60 I will make. So what does sleep 60 means? Sleep 60 means seconds. 60 seconds it will wait. 60 means that is seconds. Okay. Sleep. Okay, so that is the wait time. Click on OK. Then here nothing to define here. Click on OK. And again, so it will wait for 1 minute, and again it will search for the same file like that. Okay. So this has done. This we have defined. Okay, so here you have to mention the file name, right? Those things also defined, taken care. Okay, so now we need to define this job actually. So here reset is required and run. Click on OK. Okay, so now I will save this job. Yes, anywhere in the folder you can save. Can do this nested condition. Either of the one condition only it will pass. Okay. So start loop and end loop. Save this condition. Save this job. So here what I will do is I will remove this file. This is our source file, right? I will cut and I will paste it here. Okay. Now compile the job. Now we will check whether this file is. So now this file is not there. Okay. So let's run the job. The job started running. Just a second. It got failed. Let's see what is the issue. File is not found. Okay. So So whenever it is not found, it has to come to here. Oh, okay, okay. So one second. The particular file is not there. It will be .txt, right? So let .txt, .txt. Click on okay. Let's run this job again. Just a second. Run this job. One second. Yeah, start. Okay. Now I will do one thing. I will place this file and see. Let's run this job again. Job started running. Okay, so this particular file is there. Yeah, it got finished. Okay, so it has finished with warnings. Okay, so here execution of this previous. Okay, so now I will remove this file. You will see. Otherwise, instead of ls minus lrt, you can do one thing. You can use find also. You can use find file, and then this file is find, or you can use that one also. This one option. Okay, so or you can use WC. Click on it. Save compile and run this job again. Actually, we should do like this. I think. Okay, one of them. Save. Nevertheless, I will give one try. Okay, so let me run this job again. So it is throwing an error. It's failing actually. It's not fail. Okay, so let's compare and run it again. Let's see what happens. Small change I will make here. ls minus LRT. I will use space for okay. Now file is present. Okay. So job got completed. So now what I will do is I'll cut this file and place it in another folder. So we have mentioned the wait type thread, right? Let's see that. Let's run it again. Okay, so here I will give otherwise. And I will just run this job. Okay, so here when I give otherwise, now it's working fine. Okay, so it is waiting for file actually. It's not found. Okay, so this is very, very important. You have mentioned the option otherwise, you have to mention. Then only it will go for wait action. So, but the registration got completed. Starts with what is the time now? 14:50 to 17. Okay, so now we will check the time now. 53. So when 17 it's crosses now, then second iteration will start. Yes. Yeah, it started second iteration. See, until this file appears, it's keep on rotating for every minute. So what is the maximum number of iterations we have given? Maximum here is up to 60. So it will wait for 1 hour. Okay. So here in the execute command, you have to give this ls minus lrt and the file with some pattern. Okay, with this pattern, such kind of pattern, or you can give direct exact file name also. That's fine. And if the file is trigger action, you have to give otherwise. This is very, very important. We give otherwise means then it is an option like whether we have to, when the file is not there, it has to keep on rotating. Okay. So when third iteration starts now, then at that time I will place the file. Okay. Yeah. So now what I will do, I will place the file now. I'll copy this. Just it here. Yeah. So now let's see what's happened. Now, so it will happen. Yeah. Now it's 55. Now let's see. And when 17 comes, the file will start running. And then job will start running. 17, 17, 17. Just a second. Yes. Now file has found. Okay. So here job started running. So here it's saying that the file has found. Okay. You see here this particular file has found. So now job got completed. Okay. So this is the way to check the file present or not. Until the file is present, keep on rotating the looping activity. Okay. So here the main concepts what we have learned here is how to wait for a file until it present. Because whenever a data stage job has file as a dependency, until file has to be present, then only job should run. So this is the waiting agenda, and we can give the maximum number of time limit for waiting. So here I have given 1 hour. So 60 iterations I have given. So and waiting period sleep time I have kept for 1 minute. You can give 5 minutes also. That is up to you. So if you want to give 5 minutes means 60 into 5, 300, 300 seconds. So 300 seconds means 5 minutes, right? So like that, you need to give this time waiting period. Okay. So this is how we can handle nested condition and start loop and end loop variable concepts in data stage. Okay. Thanks for your patience. Thanks for watching this video.